Now we've come here to this type of plant. We're talking about a type of plant. A long orange vegetable. So it's a vegetable. You can see it right here. You know what that is, right? We can only see part of it, but we know what the rest of it is. The rest of it is underground, right? And what would we call that? This, of course, is called the carrot, right? Before I said tangun, right? Tangun, one of the first words I learned in Korean, because carrots are very common. They're good for you. Carrots are very good for your eyes. You eat many carrots, you have good eyesight. I don't know what happened with me. I think I read too much. But if you eat many carrots, you have good eyesight, okay? But carrots are long orange vegetable. They're very good for you.
Enjoyed this English lesson? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Code with Speak for daily English lessons. Keep learning, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.